Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, February 3rd, 2017. It's currently 9 a.m. And guess what? We made it through another week. It's Friday. It's time to get ready for the Super Bowl. And it looks like, for the most part, although cold, certainly cold out there, but at least it's going to be tranquil. No storms, no major precipitation on the way. Maybe a few flurries here and there through the next 3 days, but that is pretty much about it. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid-teens over the far northern interior, mid to upper teens over the northern suburbs, upper teens to lower 20s over the rest of the suburbs, and mid to upper 20s along the coast and in your major cities. Winds are from the west-southwest around 5 miles per hour, and they will be veering to the northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour later on this afternoon. Watch out for those winds, with these temperatures only rising into the lower 30s. It's going to lead to a wind chill in the lower 20s, so definitely bundle up there. Possibly even a few teens as well. So definitely just bundle up and protect yourself. On the radar, not much really going on. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, but what is reaching the ground is very light and pretty much are just producing a few flurries and isolated snow showers. No accumulations expected. Pretty much what you're seeing here is the gist of what you're going to see for the entire weekend. A snow shower here and there, a flurry here and there. Not much in the way of accumulation, but it will reduce visibility, so definitely use caution when driving. On the infrared satellite picture, you can pretty much see that this is a very progressive pattern. You got one short wave after another moving through. You have low pressures to your south, cold fronts to your north. Nothing really connecting to produce a major storm, but you'll continue to see a threat for a few snow showers here and there with these cold front passages moving through. So let's dive into our forecast. For this afternoon, again, can't rely on isolated flurry, otherwise variable cloud cover. Highs in the lower 30s throughout the region. Watch out for that stronger wind at times. For tonight into tomorrow morning, high pressure and control. Look for scattered cloud cover. An isolated flurry or two is possible. Lows in the upper teens. So it's certainly going to be very cold out there. And by tomorrow afternoon, with high pressure in place, look for scattered cloud cover. Highs only in the lower to mid 30s. We do start to warm up on Sunday with the high pressure departing and a cold front on the way. We'll have lows in the mid-20s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. That cold front will move through with a few widely scattered snow showers in the evening hours. Not going to amount to all that much, but definitely if you're driving home after watching the Super Bowl or whatever you're doing out there, definitely watch out for a few of those snow showers capable of reducing visibility. So just drive a little slower if you do run into one. On Monday, that cold front is exiting the region, and isolated snow showers possible. But for the most part, we're looking at sky cloud cover on Monday. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s as we start to moderate. On Tuesday, I want to watch this front very carefully. So you have high pressure to your north with enough cold air to have some of this precipitation initially start off as snow, sleet, and freezing rain, and then it'll change over to rain. The question is, how long does it take to change over to rain, especially for the interior locations like much of eastern Pennsylvania, northwest of Philadelphia, northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, and Connecticut. These locations tend to hold on to low-level cold air a little bit longer. And on Tuesday morning, we will have lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s. So right along the coast, we may start off with some snow and sleet, which quickly change over to rain, not really amount to all that much. And the same thing for much of your major cities. But locations over the interior, locations north and west of the major cities, something to watch out for on Tuesday morning. The good news is that by Tuesday afternoon, this warm front will lift north as this low pressure system heads towards the eastern Great Lakes, and as a result, our temperatures will warm up into the mid to upper 40s. On Wednesday, that low pressure system slowly moves into the St. Lawrence River Valley, which is right here, and as it's doing so, this cold front will follow. Look for periods of rain. Temperatures on Wednesday will range from the mid 40s for lows and mid to upper 50s for highs. Can't rule out a few lower 60s over southern New Jersey as well. On Thursday, that whole system is gone. High pressure builds in. Cold weather returns with windy conditions. Look for lows in the upper 20s, highs in the lower 30s. So temperatures not moving all that much, and it will be rather chilly out there. On Friday, even colder, high pressure in control. Look for clear skies to sky cloud cover. Lows in the mid to upper teens, highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.